Hello, my name is Teresa Santos with Rosa Realty, and I am here with your real estate tip of the week. Let's talk a little bit about staying top of mind with your previous clients. This is crucial since you never know when they will need your services again, or if they can recommend you to their friends and family. One way to accomplish this is by properly utilizing your CRM. Add all your important dates to your clients, like birthdays, anniversaries, and use them as an excuse to keep in touch. Regular communication is the best way to stay top of mind with all your clients. Plus, you can ask them to write reviews, which would be very helpful since the majority of people read reviews while browsing local businesses. Building your network will require intentionality and perseverance. Number 2, partner with other entrepreneurs. Homeowners need more than just a real estate agent. They need contractors, lenders, electricians, and more. These collaborations are great because the relationship is often reciprocal. You refer to them, they refer to you. It's a win-win situation for all parties. You could tag them in social media posts, host events with them, or put them on your list of preferred contractors that you share with others. You could even have a list of recommended dentists, pediatricians, restaurants. It's an easy way to show clients that you are a trusted source of information. Number 3, get involved in your community. There are lots of ways to do this, and they will help you meet new people. For example, volunteering can be fun, and it's a great way to meet new people and show that you care about your community. Joining a sports league gives you a mutual interest with someone to form a connection. Also, you can join your local chamber of commerce. Research shows that people are around 50% more likely to trust someone involved in the local chamber of commerce. Building a strong referral network does not have to be daunting. If you need help implementing these strategies or have any questions in general, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Give me a call or send me an email. I'm always here to help.